In the jungle of life, you're either a lion or a loser. The lion is the king, not because it's the fastest, not because it's the strongest, but because of its mindset. The loser? They have excuses, fear, and self-doubt. So ask yourself, are you the lion, or are you the loser? Lions wake up every morning with one goal, to hunt. They don't procrastinate, they don't wait for permission. They act. Losers, on the other hand, wait for the perfect moment, which never comes. Success is a mindset, a choice. A lion's strength isn't just physical, it's mental. Its focus is unshakable. When it locks eyes on its goal, it doesn't waver. It doesn't look around to see what others are doing. It doesn't care about distractions. It moves with purpose. Are you moving with purpose? Or are you distracted by the noise around you? What makes a lion fearless? It's not the absence of fear, it's acting despite fear. Losers let fear paralyze them. What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? These thoughts kill more dreams than failure ever could. Lions? They embrace fear. They turn it into fuel. A lion doesn't talk about hunting, it hunts. Action separates the lion from the loser. Losers wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan. Lions know that the only perfect time is now. What's holding you back from taking action today? Life isn't always smooth. Even the lion faces droughts, storms, and rival predators. But it adapts. It doesn't complain about the weather or the competition. Losers? They give up when things get tough. Lions keep moving forward. When the storm comes, will you hide? Or will you roar? Even the strongest lion doesn't hunt alone. It relies on its pride. Winners surround themselves with a strong team, people who uplift them. Losers isolate themselves, thinking they can do it all alone. Success is a team sport. Who's in your pride? You have a choice today, right now. Be the lion, focused, fearless, and relentless. Or be the loser, distracted, afraid, and stuck in excuses. The jungle doesn't wait, and neither does success. So which will you choose? Lion, or loser? If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more motivational content, and share this video with someone who needs to wake up their inner lion.